Want to know the secret to looking 40 years old at 80? This mask will amaze you. Welcome to my channel. Today I have another powerful and effective face mask recipe just for you. Try it to rejuvenate your skin. And don't forget to come back and share your results in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. We peel half a banana and prepare it for grinding. Banana is a natural rejuvenator. Vitamins C, A, E, and antioxidants in it revitalize the skin, eliminate wrinkles, improve skin tone and texture. We'll take a fresh cucumber and put it through a fine sieve. Cucumber is a natural moisturizer, cooling and whitening miracle for the skin. It reduces redness and swelling on the skin, tightens pores, and has a rejuvenating effect. We will grate the cucumber and carefully extract its juice. Now we will prepare our mask. We will crush the banana until it becomes a ripe, smooth mass. I'm really curious where you're watching from. If possible, please leave a comment. It would be great for me to know which city or country you're from. Now we break one egg and add it to our mask. It tightens and nourishes the skin. Egg is a priceless gift of nature. It gives the skin both nutrition, youth, and light. Mix the egg and mashed banana well until you get a smooth, homogeneous mixture. Remember, every little bit added is beneficial for your skin. Now we add 2 tablespoons of sugar to our mask. It removes dead skin cells and brightens the skin. Sugar is not only sweet, but a natural miracle that cleanses, rejuvenates, and brightens your skin. Mix well. Now we're going to add 4 tablespoons of freshly squeezed cucumber juice to our mask. It will soothe, moisturize, and brighten the skin. Don't forget to mix the mask well. A well-mixed mask is the key to effective results. Here is our miracle gift mask for your skin. It will prolong youth, forget wrinkles, and give life to your skin. We apply our mask to cleansed skin in the evening. In the evening, the skin rests and absorbs useful substances better, so it is appropriate to apply the mask at this time. It is enough to keep the mask on your skin for about 15 minutes. During this time, the ingredients are deeply absorbed into the skin and show their effect. After the mask, the skin needs to repair itself, so reinforce the effect by applying a cream. I recommend using this mask 2 or 3 times a week, with regular care. Your skin will look much firmer and younger. Store leftover mask in a sealed glass container, and it is recommended to keep it in the refrigerator for no more than 2 days. Natural masks spoil quickly, so it is always best to prepare.